Oh my goodness, we have some huge Dogecoin news that I think you guys are going to want to hear. Remember, if you guys are new, hit that like button and let's get right into it, shall we? So, one of the biggest announcements that I have seen in a very long time has sent Dogecoin absolutely rocketing past all the goalposts that I was expecting. Now, in some of our previous videos, we talked a little bit about these metrics and the way Dogecoin needs to perform over the next 24 to 48 hours in order to sustain itself past 60 cents and get back to where it was. Now, of course, to give you guys a little bit of backstory, what we saw was a catastrophic, at least feeling, a catastrophic feeling dip from the high of 71-ish cents all the way down to a terrible 46 cents, actually even lower, 45 cents here at a certain point. Now, again, like I said, this really was not that tragic of a dip. In fact, this dip was to be expected, but it just felt so tragic because of the hype surrounding the SNL event. Now, what we're looking at here is Dogecoin rocketing past. Dave Fortnoy here saying, of course, live look at Dogecoin. I mean, dude, what we're looking at here is an absolute rocket past all the goalposts, not hitting any of those key resistance points that I thought it would. So remember, like we talked about in some of our older videos, Dogecoin was hanging out here at around, 50 cents, whatever, and I said, all right, it has to fight this battle here at 54 cents. It has to win this battle. Otherwise, things won't be looking too good. And it won this little battle here with flying colors. Again, charting some candles just like I talked about. And now we're pushing past 57 cents. And it is just incredible to see the way that the public reacts to news like this. So what is the news here? SpaceX will be accepting Dogecoin as a payment to launch DOGE-1 Mission to the moon. This is happening next year, of course. So his SpaceX, of course, in the first quarter of 2022, will use the meme-inspired crypto as a payment. Geometric Energy Corporation announced the Dogecoin-funded mission on Sunday, with DOGE-1 representing a 40-kilogram cube satellite flying as a payload on a Falcon 9 rocket. So this is literally Doge on the moon. It's not just Doge going to the moon. This is literally Doge on the moon. The SpaceX vice president said in a statement that it will demonstrate the application of cryptocurrency beyond Earth's orbit and set the foundation for interplanetary commerce. How freaking cool, man. I'm sorry. This is really, really, really cool. And, like I've been talking about in some recent videos, man, this is a good tweet. SpaceX really putting Doge on the moon. That's cool. That is really, really cool. I love that. I love that they're referencing that now. Because, again, we had thought this was just kind of a rumor or speculation, but it seems it's actually happening. And what I love about this, man, is the way that, celebrities and public figures are reacting to a completely new form of currency that, like I said, from a technical standpoint, has bad fundamentals. Dogecoin is very, very bad objectively on paper, but what it does is brings the mainstream into cryptocurrency and proves that even though you could mint more and it has this massive supply and it doesn't have much utility and all this, even after all of that, Dogecoin still manages to prove itself as being an incredibly viable and important monetary object. I mean, it really does. And like I said, man, what I expect to see over the next few hours is it continue to chart these candles. Again, we'll probably see, kind of maintaining some candles somewhere around here. And then again, I see it, personally skyrocketing all the way, up probably to 70 cents again. That is a very reasonable forecast. On a bad case scenario, I see it again just kind of stagnating here at, a little under 60, which, would be a little disappointing. But I mean, again, 60 cents is much better than 42 cents. And again, like most people say, the buyers here identified this as the dip, just like in the same way they identified this dip. So the buy volume, again, starts to go up once people identify that this is a dip. And, on the way up here, again, we're just seeing a very, very nice uptrend. I don't see anything objectionable here. I'm not seeing it reject any highs that I think are unattainable. Again, this 60-cent mark is probably going to come very, very shortly. And then it's all fun from there, man. Absolutely incredible stuff. And again, the fact that you're putting substantive missions and substantive projects like this really gives a lot of credibility to the currency itself. And you have someone like Mark Cuban talking about this, who, will be accepting Dogecoin, of course, with the Mavericks. When you have people of this stature, more than SNL being just this one event, what SNL did was tell the world that, yeah, Dogecoin will never be at 5 cents again. Dogecoin never is going to go back down to 10 cents. And once people got that validation and realized that, hey, this is something we should maybe add to our retirement. This is something I should add to my portfolio. This is something I should talk to a financial advisor about, which, by the way, I am not a financial advisor. But this is something I should talk to someone about who knows about investing. This is something I should look into. I should hold for the long term, because in 5 years from now, everyone will be accepting Dogecoin. When you have a company like BitPay, which we've talked about recently, I definitely think is really worth sort of visiting. I mean, you have something like BitPay, which is accepting so many different places that are compatible with crypto. I mean, Twitch, I mean, Microsoft, we've been talking about this. Amazon was the huge one. I mean, literally, Jeff Bezos has basically said that Dogecoin is going to be accepted on Amazon. You could do that here with BitPay. And that's fantastic. And now SpaceX has agreed that, okay, we're going to put this into a concrete mission. We are actually putting a physical 40-kilogram cube representing Dogecoin on the moon. Now, remember, space missions don't happen particularly frequently. And think about that. I mean, think about loading up the TV. And, again, they love to cover all of his launches because Elon Musk's launches are very, very exciting. And think about looking at your TV, seeing something in the sky with the Doge logo landing on the moon. That's ridiculous. So all the people telling you about, market cap and supply, that don't mean nothing. That don't mean nothing when you see literally a freaking Dogecoin sitting on the moon. That's ridiculous. And again, the public has acknowledged that this is a dip. We've acknowledged that this is something we should be buying. Even at 58 cents, I believe this is still a steal compared to the future. Now, again, I never thought that Dogecoin would be a long-term hold. I've been saying that for months, but I think in recent weeks, past week or two, my prerogative on this has completely changed. And maybe some other people down below in the comments will agree with me on this, because what we're looking at here, man, is a complete dissension from ascension from just a meme crypto, a meme currency, something that isn't worth anything, that has no technical value, no technical fundamentals, being transitioned into a viable currency that, just like the US dollar, you can always print more of, but you know what? Nobody cares. Because when you look at these stats here, again, what we're seeing is buyer sentiment is at an all-time high. Even if the price ain't at an all-time high, man, the fact that this rebounded that quickly is amazing. If you look at previous rebounds and previous crashes, I mean, let's go to this crash here. This is a very good one that I want you guys to look at here. Let's take a look at this crash, okay? April-ish 22nd. Okay, let's take a look at this crash, right? So what we're looking at here is it goes down from 40 cents, and it just plummets down. It plummets down. It plummets down bad. It plummets down to another, 15 cents. Oh my God, 18 cents. And look at these periods of resistance here, man. Look at this. This is not fast. This is an entire day where Dogecoin basically stays in the toilet. And days to come, I mean, look, it's going up a cent. 2 cents. I mean, this is pitiful. This is a pitiful increase. You look at today's results. I mean, look at this, man. Look at what we're seeing, man. This is parabolic compared to previous events. Absolutely parabolic, because people will not let Doge sit at 45 cents or 50 cents for too long. It just won't happen. People will not tolerate their favorite meme crypto, which the richest man in the world has decided to put on a planetary body. People will not accept that is only worth 45 cents. Simple as that. And that's fantastic. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you guys want to get started trading Dogecoin, check out my links down below in the description to my Robinhood and my Coinbase. If you guys click those links, you guys do get one free stock, of course. We each get a tiny bit of that, so always awesome stuff. If you guys happen to stream, it's like Twitch, by the way, as well. I don't know if there's any gamers out there, but trying to branch out a little bit. So twitch.tv/TheMattRetro. My Twitch will be in the description as well. If anyone wants to come hang out over there, as well as my Discord, just trying to connect you guys in some other ways. And if you guys want to come play some Call of Duty or something over on Twitch, you know what to do. Links down below in the description. We'd love to have you guys over there sometime. Let me know down below in the comments what your price target is for Dogecoin. Where do you guys think this currency will be over the next 24 to 48 hours? Thank you guys so much for listening and for watching. Catch you all in the next one.